let's go. Stop. Alright, do the intro to the video. Joe, just do the intro.
You're the one who has come to save the day. We need you more than words.
That was legit. It's a YouTube video. Look.
Hey guys, I'm doing my name. Okay, hi guys, I'm doing my name.
Has the power in his hand to heal the divine.
Got that right.
And bring peace to this land.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't matter if you're left or right. We know that Danny is our guide to help us put
Wait,
our
no, don't
differences
touch that. Read the
aside.
book.
We can trust.
Yeah, get that book. Read it out loud.
In his hand, I
Okay, I'm
know.
gonna be reading this book. It says,
Alright, I'll read it.
It says, yo mom.
Alright. You had to make it so hard to open. Don't copyright us. Elementor gravely faced the fearsome machine. He flicked his red cape. Stop, we can't put that
It's time for a new orange fat old man, but this is one we all can stand.
No, you have to say John Pickles.
Someday you'll leave this world behind.
No, do it again. Say Pickles scene.
And on that day, the world.
Alright, this is how the video is gonna end. I'm gonna choke you and you're gonna die. 3,